Very good morning, friends. Myself, Dr. M.H. Annaya, and in today's video, we are going to develop the lateral surface of a right circular cone as shown in the figure. Friends, in the figure, they have given you a triangular, that is a cone having diameter of base 60 mm and height 80 mm. And we are required to draw the development of this portion of the cone. So friends, let us see in this question, the diameter of the base is given to you and the height is also given. But after construction of this figure, friends, you will be able to find out what is R. The radius of the end generator is capital R. That can be done only after the construction. So in the first step, we are going to calculate theta, the angle subtended by the cone at the apex O, given by theta r by r into 360 degrees. Friends, here, this r is the radius of the base. Diameter is 60, so radius is 30, half of that. Capital R is this radius or the end generator distance. So it is a true measurement that can be measured keeping a scale here. So this works out to 85 millimeter, and we have this 360. So theta is equal to 30 divided by 85 multiplied by 360. It comes to around 130 degrees. That is the angle theta subtended by the cone at the apex. That is 130 degrees. Now friends, we will assume that the cone is not cut by any section plane, and using this angle of 130 degree, let us draw the development of the cone. The development looks like this, with this equal to 130 degree, that is theta at O. This is the distance or the length of the strand generator or the end generator. This is also R. And friends, let us write down the top view for the cone, which is a circle of the given diameter. This is a circle you are getting, friends. And it has got a diameter equal to 60 millimeters. So I am going to divide this circle into 8 equal parts as we have done before. So I just mark this as A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. And O is the apex. So the O dash you have marked here. Let us transfer these points to this front view. That is A dash, this is C dash, G dash, last is D dash. And friends, if you extend these lines from B and H, you will get two more points here. These points are B dash comma H dash, and this is D comma F at the other end. So this is D dash comma F dash. We will join all these generators to the apex by thin lines. So I have joined them by thin lines. Friends, now we can see these generators OBOH, OCOG, and these ODOF, OD all are cut by the section plane excepting the last generator O dash A dash. Friends, we have divided the base circle into 8 equal parts, so also we will divide this into 8 equal parts. So this is 2 parts, 4, and this is 4 parts now. Again in between, you have to bisect those angles and get 8 equal divisions on these, friends. Now friends, this is the development of the cone for the given base and the height. And friends, this is the development without this cone is being cut by any section plane. Now friends, we can assume these So this is at 30 degree I told you. So friends, can be considered as a section plane, and this also is a section plane, both intersecting at the midpoint of the axis of the cone. Now friends, if you observe the front view, O dash A dash is removed. So friends, we have to draw the development commencing from OA. So this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and again this is A. OA, OA. You should get same marking for the last two generators. Friends, let us start for this section plane, which is inclined at 30 degrees to the horizontal. It is passing through A of the base. So we can have a point here. This is a point on the base and again on A. So we have marked this point. Friends, next coming to these generators, O dash B dash, O dash H dash are cut here. But these two are not the true length. Hence I shift that to the left generator, the end generator, mark the distance on OA from that point. Okay, this is on OB and OH. So on OB I mark a mark. Again on OH at the same distance I mark another point. Friends, generators OC and OG are cut here. This is not the true length. So I am going to shift that to the last line and mark on OC and OG. OC and this is on OG. Friends, if you observe this horizontal section plane, this is cutting OC, OG also along with ODOF and this. So since this section plane is horizontal, whatever the curve we are going to get for this portion, it is going to be parallel to the base, means at the. So friends, I can take O dash as center, this distance, true length as the radius, and draw an arc passing through this. So this is an arc and this is parallel to the base. Friends, you can see the base is not touched by the section plane. Hence I am going to mark it by a dark line. It is intact. And friends, the points whatever you have got here are to be joined by a smooth continuous curve like this. So I am going to join them by a smooth continuous curve. And friends, this portion, that is from here to this, will give you the development of part P. Development of part P of the cone, which is resting on HP on its base. Friends, if you actually try to scale, this is how it will look. This is going to be the development for the bottom portion P. And friends, if you want the development for the upper part, it is going to be something like this. You can see this. And friends, the whole complete development will be something like. Complete development is this figure. And development for the upper part, development for the lower part. Friends, I hope the presentation was interesting, and if you like this video, after going through the complete video, if you like it, do suggest the video to your friends. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching my video.